Hi, I'm Greg, the face and founder of Dropshipping 101 here on Fiverr. I've been in the dropshipping industry for 6 years now, specialising in product research and selling my last store on Shopify for 6 figures. I want to fast track your dropshipping success by giving you my winning products, saving you time and money. In this gig, you will get my winning products from this month that have been trending. You will get the exact Facebook ad targeting and strategy that I have used, and you will also get the product videos that were inside that advert. All gigs will be delivered in a PDF file, just like the one which I'm giving you completely free, which you can download from the gallery here on this gig in Fiverr. So what are you waiting for? It's the perfect way to kickstart your dropshipping success and build that lifestyle business you've been dreaming of. I'm ready when you are, so order now.